Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel Pico Taka. I'm your host Binod. Yes, Binod, because there are two trending Bs in Bollywood right now. Did I just say Bollywood? That means three Bs. But funnily, I mean to say there are two Bs trending. One is Badshah, one is Binod. Now, you must have heard about both of them. While Binod got famous for commenting on some video, his own name, Badshah got famous for yeah, so that's what he technically got famous for. Anyway, now, so recently, these two guys have been trending a lot. Binod as a meme, and Badshah is already a meme for anybody who knows any kind of lyricism. And well, Badshah has been buying followers and views on YouTube and Instagram, according to the Mumbai police. Apparently, he has paid 75 lakh. That's a lot of fucking money. He has paid 75 lakh rupees just to get all these followers. And when the Mumbai police claimed that he has already admitted to all this, he is like, no, I never said that. They're lying about me. Yeah, sure, Badshah, why not? It's not a fucking school fight where two kids are just lying to each other so that none of them get into trouble. It's a fucking police. Obviously, they had to question you and come up with a conclusion which they provided to the public. So stop fucking around with them. Anyway, I thought it would be fun to talk about all this. And well, all I can say is there has to be a comparison done between Badshah and Binod. So I made a tier list of what differentiates them and why I personally think that Binod is better. So let's get right into it. So, first of all, let's talk about popularity. Badshah got his popularity because he bought views and followers from different sellers, which is technically illegal, but yeah, that's what he did to get popular. Whereas Binod was popular by luck. He became a genuine meme. And that's how you should actually get popular. Binod worked hard for his success, but it's still better than actually buying fake followers. So I think that's 1 point for Binod. Let's get to the second one. Badshah talks about chicks, guns and other kind of senseless raps that don't make any kind of sense. They are totally illogical and we'll get into that later in the video. Whereas Binod just used one word to express all the emotions ever found in the world. Binod just wrote Binod and everyone was able to understand what he meant by it. Even other people started using Binod because it is such a convenient word. People just understand it so well, as you can see in the comment section below. Badshah shows off expensive clothing in his video like Balenciaga, Gucci, even talks about them. Whereas Binod doesn't need all that crap to get famous. People already love Binod for who he is. He doesn't even need a fucking identity. It's just his name that is enough to gain him the popularity. So you can see how OP Binod actually is. And the final point, Badshah is annoying and Binod is the winner. Yes, that's right my friends. Binod is the winner and I hope Binod gains more success in the future. So since Badshah has become a meme, I just thought I'd just review some of his lyrics and I took out 3 random songs. One of them is actually not that random because it's pretty famous for its shitty lyrics, so let's get right in. Okay, so this song was called Genda Fool. Now I can tell you already right from the gate, the only reason people watch this song is because of Jacqueline, because she looks fucking gorgeous in this. So, no offense to Jacqueline, but you chose a wrong singer for this. Bollywood is known for ruining old songs and Badshah is also known for remixing and ruining those songs. So here we see Badshah's lyrics where he says, बम तेरा गोटे खाए, कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई, बॉडी तेरी मक्खन जैसे, खाने में बस तू बटर खाए. Badshah, I can understand that you're a fucking foodie, but isn't this too much? This doesn't make any sense to me. Then he says, come on baby, kick it, kaatu tera ticket. Lyricism on point. Oh my god, I can totally see the wannabe guys blasting this on their fucking Maruti Suzukis with the huge ass woofers they have, but oh well. खेलता नहीं cricket wicket पर ले लूं तेरी wicket. If I flirted with a girl like this, I would be definitely getting hit by a purse, not gonna lie. Then he says, promise water never coming down from your eye. You are my Jaan baby, never gonna lie. I've seen nibbas come up with better flirting lines for their nibbies than fucking Badshah. How is this guy the most famous rapper in Bollywood right now? I guess क्या पता nepotism का scene निकले, you know, like this is fucking crap. So, but what if I'm wrong? What if the other songs are quite well? So let's go to the second one. And here we have another song which is Vroom Vroom. I cannot believe that I actually found the cringiest caption for a song ever. Like that's the most wannabe tagline you can say for a song. Like Vroom Vroom. Obviously it's about cars. Come on man, Vroom Vroom, yeah. मतलब क्या फ्लेक्स करते हो यार तुम लोग, इस थोड़ा सटल कर लो भाई, इतना कूल क्या बनना. But anyway, let's go to the lyrics. गाड़ी 2-सीटर बंदा मैं अलोन.
Okay.
Fucking loner. मुझसे तू बात कर, क्या देखती है फोन? Weren't you just fucking alone? Then are you like stalking somebody outside that you're talking about her like this? आजा मेरे पास, मैं डाल दूँ चाबी तेरे ignition में. Let me turn you on. Dear Badshah, I'm glad you're famous because that way you might be able to get something or get some girls. But I don't think, please just keep quiet on your first date. Please, बिल्कुल भी रैप करके तो मत सुनाना, क्योंकि वो बंदी भाग जाएगी ब्रो. मैं डाल दूँ चाबी तेरे इग्निशन में. What the fuck? बहनचोद 6th grade में भी लोग ऐसा ना बोले भाई, क्या? And here we have Badshah ruining a very popular song. You guys must have heard Skechers. Yeah, that one. And he tried to put his words on it. You know, like Eminem tries to put his words on some songs. So Joyner Lucas tries to remake some songs with his own words, which come out to be better than the original songs in the first place. Badshah fucking ruins the song to another level. So let's see what he said. पहने तू Skechers लेकिन तू है Nike. तो मतलब क्या, ये क्या था, कंपैरिजन क्या था? दो फकिंग डिफरेंट कंपनीज है भाई, तुम किस बेसिस पे कर रहे हो? बट चलो, लेट्स जस्ट अज्यूम दैट ही थिंक्स नाइकी इज वे बेटर देन स्केचर्स, ऑल्दो दे बोथ मेक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ शूज. बट ऑलराइट, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. सब कुछ चेक है swoosh. So he is like, you know, the rhyming scheme, he is like, you know, taking Nike and then he's like swoosh. So deep. तेरा सब कुछ सही है क्या? What? तेरा सब कुछ सही है? गलत क्या होता है बहनचोद? क्या वो तेरा बंदा है? क्योंकि लगता तो नहीं है. भाई गार्ड बनाना फिर बहनचोद. What is this? दुनिया वैसे भी पड़ी मेरे पीछे. I hardly doubt that, except if they were sticks and guns, because obviously I believe most of the people would like to beat the shit out of you for these lyrics. तुम भी प्रेस वालों से गाली खिलवाओगी. I guess it's not his first time. ऐसे हिलाना बंद करो, फिर मुझसे कोई गंदा गाना लिखवाओगी. Okay. बहन के लोड़े मत लिख. I'm just guessing she's twerking or something because he hasn't specified what she's हिलाओing, which is even creepier. But let's just assume that she's twerking or something. तो मुझसे गंदा गाना लिखवाओगी? नहीं. Then that means you have a creep vision. Okay, you have a creep thought process. Don't blame the girl for it. Blame yourself for that. You fucking creep. So anyway, guys, that was my comparison. Now you can understand why Binod is way better than Badshah. Binod respects women, is far superior to Badshah when it comes to lyricism. Binod currently is more popular than Badshah, I would say, considering that Badshah has bought like fucking 75 lakh rupees worth of followers. And well, I guess I don't have anything more to say. It's just that Binod, aap OP ho sir, or please continue, and Badshah you can honestly fuck off for all I care. Take care guys. मेरा नाम तो चिल्ला, बादशाह बादशाह कह के गाड़ तू हिला.